get in this thing. I'm not ready. I'll get. I got this. Got it. Remember to cut that part out. That was embarrassing. So I'm trying to get ready, but I'm out of toilet paper. John warned me about this. John's from the Cancun trip, or Playa del Carmen trip. So I'm trying to not think about it. So I'm walking around a little bit. I'll talk to the person. She's gonna drop some off in my room in about 5 minutes. I don't know if I can last that long. There's a view. Getting boats today. As long as Sam doesn't push me off, I'll be good. She's probably getting ready soon, though. I think I'm gonna meet up with Gene and those other guys in about an hour. It's the moment of truth. Come on, toilet paper. Come on, what do we got? No! Thank you. Yeah. Well, I got my toilet paper. Gene must have thought I really had to go bad. I can't. Oh, man. Alright. So we found this place yesterday. The view was amazing, and I think no one was filming it, so we're going down again today. I don't know if you can hear me, it's pretty windy, but we're going to take this dirt path road, but the views are beautiful. My camera's bouncing everywhere. My camera's bouncing everywhere. I don't know how stable this thing is, but we're about to find out. I'm curious about this path. I don't know if I can survive like here. Pretty neat. It's just a little dirt path. It's actually pretty cool on a video probably. If you can get a video up. My goal is to not fall in. Oh god. Yeah, I can't. Alright, let's see how deep I can go before I die. This is about as far as I go. Rob, go get the fishing. You popped the blood vessel or something? Oh shit! I got one sting like kind of on my nose. Yeah.
Yeah, I got one right here, and then I got one right here.
That's coconut. Get it? Because we're in an island and there's.
So we're now on the second beach. We just did a little tour of a lagoon. I think my back is burning now. I think about it. Fuck. Sunburn.
It's like a passing by. I don't know what they're doing down there. It must be
Yo, what? Say that again, what?
I told you this is a PG channel.
I'm blowing cheese.
Stop it.
So now here at island number 3. This is Pakbia Island. But there are also monkeys here. Guess that's all for this island. We're headed to island number 4, I believe is the final island. I'm not sure what we're doing there. I think that's where we're gonna watch the sunset. Look at these guys. Get on the boat!
No.
Acting stupid, but being dumb. Maybe just a little bit foolish. I feel so young. Drunk, I've never seen you clearer than now. We're flying high, floating somewhere up in the clouds. We're going out of ourselves, can you feel it? Almost like I don't know if it's real. Cause when we're doing our thing, we're like wheels that won't stop turning. So take me on a trip, now trip. Oh, flick the switch, kill the lights. Oh, wasted. City lights are shining so bright. All these empty faces. We don't care about them tonight.
Where is it? There it is.
Going out of ourselves, can you feel it? Almost like I don't know if it's real. Cause when we're doing our thing, we're the wheels that won't stop turning.
I came all the way over here to try to get this shot, but now we gotta climb back through this hole. It's gonna take me a while, so I'm gonna get started now. Hopefully I don't eat it. If you don't watch this, I didn't make it.
So take me on a trip.
Parkour Steven's about to jump into this thing, so if you see this, it went good. If you didn't see this, I'll still show it anyway.
I know we're acting stupid, being dumb. Maybe just a little bit foolish.
So I got bad news. Steven survived. It's not gonna be a good video now. Where's everyone?
It's the only way we know how to do it.
Alright, I really didn't want to go in the water, but apparently I'm going in, so.
What's up, guys?
I didn't want to come in, but everyone else is in here, so.
Yeah.
I can't believe how warm the water is. I can't believe we all got your camera in the water.
I can't believe it's not butter.
Later. It's only a couple.
Kill the lights.
Honestly, it's been beautiful, man. Shit, this has been one hell of a day. Those are the type of experiences you don't forget, man. Like, this stays with you. Yeah, it's beautiful.